This is a woman. She's class, the poster child, the photo boy is sexy. Hello, beautiful besties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back, Dwelling. You guys, it's almost Mother's Day, okay? So I am bringing to you, and will be bringing to you up into said point, some fabulous Mother's Day gifts. So if you want to see what I have in store for you today, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous dwelling. So if that sounds like something that you are into or you want to become a part of, stop what you're doing. You already know I love to know what you're rocking. So go ahead and take 2.5 seconds and drop your scent of the day in the comments section. And of course, if this seems like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there, because I don't ever want you to miss a video over here. So tap the notification bell. It will alert you every single time there's a new video on this channel. And of course, if you want to take it a step further and really become a bestie, come over and slide in the DM and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, because I have got to share with you this package, we are starting this video right now. You guys, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so you know I'm all about luxury packaging, beautiful gifts arriving at your door, stuff that just makes you feel fancy and fabulous. I'm here for all the thrills, all the vibes, right? Let's just take a look at this. Do you see this? It's absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This is from Dior. I love Dior's packaging, you guys. They have amazing packaging. So I did receive this from Dior, you guys. Of course, I wrote a note to myself and I put, "You are so worth it. The best is yet to come." That's what I wrote on my note. So when you do receive your packaging, it's gonna look gorgeous. So if you're looking to give someone something for Mother's Day, this is a great way to do it because they're going to package it so beautifully for you. It's complimentary packaging, and I believe it's complimentary shipping if you spend over a certain amount, like $50. I'm gonna have all the information and all the details linked in the description box for you below should you want to check anything out or shop anything. I picked up a beautiful blush, I picked up a fragrance, I picked up some more lip oils because I am obsessed. You guys, this lip Dior oil lives on my desk, okay? It stays there because you never know when you're gonna need to reapply. So I do have that there. So I'm just like a Dior girl. You already know that. This packaging is so beautiful, and I'm going to unpackage it with you. If you were to give somebody something and you didn't have time to like go out, get it gift wrapped, do anything like that, put a nice beautiful card with it, a nice bow, a ribbon, this is the way to go. It's gonna save you some time, okay? And you can have this shipped directly to their doorstep, or you can have it shipped to your doorstep, like I'm probably gonna do for my mom, and then take it to her and give it to her on Mother's Day. Another thing that I think is really neat about Dior's packaging is that they always give you samples. I love shopping with companies and brands, and especially luxury brands that give you gift with purchase. And I believe I received 2 complimentary. This is a bag here that looks like it has a gift with purchase in it. Whenever you receive and you spend over a certain amount, you do receive a gift with purchase. So this is what I received. I know I received 2 fragrances, and we're gonna get into those and smell those because I cannot wait. I believe I have these already though. One is ISPAHAN, and hopefully I said that right, by Christian Dior. This is from the private line, and this one is really good. This is hot and heavy, honey. This is hot, this is heavy. This is gonna get on you, hold you tight, and never let you go. So if you're looking for something hot, heavy, something that's just gonna be with you to the wee hours of the night and over into the next morning, you wanna go with ISPAHAN. It is absolutely amazing. I have, oh gosh, yeah, a full dedicated review. It's more of a winter, fall kind of fragrance, but you already know you can wear what you want when you want. You can always spray as much of it as you want. But yeah, this is a beautiful one. Definitely, if you have not got your nose on this, I would highly recommend it. Like I said, I have a full Dior video on my channel covering all of the private lines. So if you want something more in depth and detail, go there. But I just want to do this unboxing with you guys because it was so pretty. And I'm like, oh yeah, I got to show the girls and the guys. This one here is Dior. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is on my wish list for a full bottle. It is so good. It's so long lasting. It's sexy. It's sexy. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit. And these are these little bottles like this, you guys. If you can see this, I promise you, about 25 of them. Another thing that you can get at Dior Beauty is that they have this. I'll pop a picture up where you can get at least all of them or most of them, and they're like this size so that you can try them all out. It's like a sampling. Oh God, this is so sexy. It's like a sampling type of thing that you can do. That's always fun too. I'm always encouraging you all to try before you buy. So that is a great way to try the fragrances before you buy them. I also got this famous blush that I have been seeing go around and everybody talk about. You guys, I brought my blush brush because I was like, I have to put it on. Even though I have like so much blush on already, but I thought it'd be fun to put it on or at least swatch it. So this is Backstage Rosy Glow. I'm obsessed with pink fragrances, pink blushes, the color pink. I don't know, is pink gonna take over and be the new white? I don't think so, but I think pink is about to be heavily in the rotation, you guys. I really do, because something about it is just giving me like all the girly, feminine vibes, and I'm absolutely loving it. Oh my gosh, I have seen this everywhere. Finally, it's in my hands and I'm holding it. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, it's so super cute. Absolutely love this. I cannot wait to put this in my handbag and take it out. I don't know where I'm doing this at. I'm going to brunch today. I think, oh my God, it has a cute mirror in it. Oh yes, I'm definitely putting this in my bag today. I am putting this in my bag. Look at this. I know, you guys, you see the mirror? It has a cute mirror in it. I am going to put a little bit on. I don't know why. I don't need any more blush. Oh my gosh, though. Oh my gosh, it's really pigmented. Oh my God. It's so pigmented. This would be a great Mother's Day gift. If you have somebody in your life, you yourself, treat yourself. If you love a pink blush like I do, this is a really cute one. They have other colors as well, but this is the one that I have been seeing everywhere, so I cannot wait to try it. Sorry, guys. Let me swatch it so that you can see it on me. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just obsessed with pink right now. So do you see it there faintly? You see that? And it goes with my skin. It looks like it's gonna be really loud, but it's not. I guess you can build it up or, build it down, but definitely it goes. So I love that. Yeah, that's going in my handbag today. And even if it's just to get a cute picture, we're definitely doing that. Oh, okay, I move on. Another thing that you're gonna get inside of here is another sample. Like I stated, you guys, I'm gonna link the website and everything to the Mother's Day gift. They have engravings going right now. You can get a beautiful bottle of the fragrance, Miss Dior, I believe, or Blooming Bouquet, or Rose and Roses is what I picked up one year, and I was like absolutely in love with it. So they have so many different ways that you can get a bottle engraved. There's just a lot of different personalization things that you can have done over at Christian Dior right now, Dior Beauty. So everything is going to be linked. So do not forget to check out the website. I know a lot of people talk about this fragrance and they're like, oh my gosh, everybody has it. This right here, Sauvage, I love when my guy wears this. If you talk about a man that smells sexy, this right here is where it's at. He has three bottles. He has a Parfume, the Toilette, and then something else. Maybe the Elixir. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He has three of them. I don't know what all three he has, but he has three, and I love them all. They smell like a man. I told you when Johnny Depp was on the campaign and they got him and he was what was it, the poster child, the photo boy? I don't know what you call it, but he was the guy for the photo. I was like, oh yeah, they captured that. It's kind of rugged. It's kind of sexy. Ooh, I smelled it for the first time when I was in Palm Springs and I was like, oh yeah, we need a bottle of that. Like, wrap that up. I'm gonna link that too, because if you need to pick up something for Father's Day, graduation day, if you just want to gift the guy in your life something, or if you like, masculine fragrances for yourself, it's sexy. It is sexy. Okay, let's get into something else I got. I did get this too as well. This is I believe this is like a makeup case here. And the thing that I like about it is that it's a beautiful, pretty pink color. I would probably only use this if I was traveling and I was going to be going doing my stuff myself, and I would just put like a little bit of my fragrances in here. But it does have like a nice, what would you call this? Something that you can wipe down. You know how you can get a baby wipe in case you had makeup in here or something spilled? You can totally wipe this down inside here and it wouldn't stain or anything like that. And by the material of it, if you knew how to keep colors, really well when you wash clothes or do laundry, you can just take this whole thing and throw it in the laundry. So that's really good. This came with it as well. And then of course I did order this. This is Dior Addict Lip Essential. So inside of here, oh, I love it. Ooh, look at this. So this is what this looks like here. And those are all the lip oils inside of here. So it's like a trio combination. And then of course, I got a new fragrance. Let's open it up. I got Blooming Bouquet. I smelt it when I was in store. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to add a small one. When I went to the Dior event last year, I smelled this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's really good. And then Keitra had an extra one. Keitra at Fab Finds by Keitra over on Bougieville Street. She's a friend here to the channel and to me here on YouTube. She gifted me just a little one and I would just, you know, pour it out like that and it was really good. So when I seen that Dior was doing all this stuff, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm ordering this. Let's spray this on and see how it is. I don't have any of the notes, you guys. I'll pop them up. It smells like flowers. It smells like a blooming garden bouquet. It's beautiful. Like I said, I smelled this at the Dior event that I went to and it was really nice. But on that particular day, I ended up I actually picked up this one and this one is on the website as well. This one here is Rose and Roses, which is really pretty. I'm telling you, the packaging, the bow, the color, the pink, it's all just gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see. Oh, God, but I love this one. Okay, if I had to have a favorite, it's this one. Oh, my God. You know what? This is a little bit sweeter than Blooming Bouquet. Oh, God, but see, this one's a little bit... Okay, I can't make up my mind. Just get them both. Just get them both. I can't make up my mind. I think, okay, Rose and Roses is sweeter. It's juicier. It's a little bit more flirtier, a little bit more playful, a little bit more daytime brunch, you know, festival kind of vibes, a walk in the park, an early morning stroll. It's giving me that. Flowers at the nursery, apple picking. I don't know why I want to go apple picking. Okay, you guys go with it. And then Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet is giving me adult. She's an adult. This is a woman. She's classy. She's conservative. She's on her grind. It's good though. It's sexy too, but in more of a refined way. It's not so playful. It's not so foo-foo la-la. It's not so girly, but it's still feminine. But Rose and Rose is just like juicy, sweeter. It's like where it's at right now. You know what I mean? So yeah, you can't go wrong. Either one is good. And you guys know I'm always telling you about layering your fragrances, layering your perfume. Well, if you go on the website and look, you can pick up this too. They even have gift sets that you can put this with one of the fragrances. I'm making it up, you guys, but it's something like this here. Like you could put these two together. That way you can moisturize, hydrate, then get out and hit it with the fragrance. And then don't forget to put on your rosy blush and then your Dior lip oil. You're good to go. These are little sets. I believe you can mix or match or do them how you would want to. You can order them on their own. You can order them together, and this is universal. This just smells like a beautiful floral type of fragrance. And this one here I'm just gonna put right on top. It comes out like that, so you have to squeeze it. I love that it has like a little nozzle there. It's not just gonna come out. It's hydrating. I wear this all the time when I wear my Roses and Roses or when I wear any of my Dior fragrances because yeah, it's soft. Oh my gosh. It's clean, it's fresh, it's floral, it's sweet, it's elegant, it's classy, it's ladylike, it's Dior. It's really, really good. So like I said, if you need a place to get some Mother Day gifts from, you want them to be packaged, you want it to be opulent, you want it to scream luxury vibes, this is definitely one that I would highly recommend. Oh, I wanted to share with you too. Remember I picked this up. I have been playing with this and wearing this, and this is so good. Now listen, it is hot. Well, right now I'm sweating. The lights are on. It's about 80 outside. It's hot. It's hot. If you want the one and done and you just want to get out of the shower and spritz yourself with something and you don't want any heavy fuss or anything like that, this is the way to go. This is like being at a day spa, like a very luxurious, lavender-oriented day spa, eucalyptus. Those aren't the notes in this. I'm just giving you the vibe of what it smells like. It's very clean. It's very fresh. It's very much like I'm at a spa. That's the best way for me to describe it. I don't even have any other place to spray it. I get out of the, and look at that mister. Oh gosh, it's good. I get out of the shower and I do this just like I do some of my other ones where I am still wet, still supple, and I will just mist my body with this. You guys can't see it here, but when you spray this like that, that mister is absolutely gorgeous. Do you see that? And when you spray it, I don't know if you can, you see it's kind of white. If you can see that there, it's kind of white. That's what it's giving you. And it's just like a milk bath that, oh God, it's good. Yes, this is good. If you don't have this, you just need to pick this up for yourself. For you, for your mom, your grandmother, your aunt, your teachers at school. If you want to gift anybody something, this would be a way to go. This to me, I don't blind buy. I don't recommend blind buying, but this to me is like crowd pleasing. If you like relaxation, if you like, after a hard day or just getting ready to hang out on the couch, or even if you want to put it on to go to the Whole Foods, the Trader Joe's, to run errands, it's not going to be in your face. If you work in close proximity with others, close quarters, you're going to be in someone's personal space, this would be a great choice to make. I would definitely highly recommend this. This is good. I've had this for a while, but I wanted to put it in this video and share it with you, because if you look on their website, you can see something where you can get this in the Mother's Day offerings as well. I would highly recommend this. Even if they have it where you can pick it up as a sample, try it. You need to get your nose on this. This is really good. But yeah, you guys, I definitely cannot wait to unpackage this and share this with you. But as I stated, if you want to give somebody something this Mother's Day, I'm telling you to check out Dior Beauty, because they have amazing, luxurious packaging. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Make sure you check out Dior Beauty. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I truly appreciate you. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, duelies. Thanks for watching. Bye.